In this video, we're going to learn how to use the str method in Python. So the str method is what's called a magic method or a dunder method. It's a method that we can optionally add to a class to define how objects of that class should be represented in an informal way with a human readable string. So for example, let's say we have a class to represent students. We'll have class student. Inside this class, we'll have an init method, and the init method will have the parameters self, name, and grade, and we'll set attributes name and grade to these parameters. Now normally, if I try to print out a student object, it's not going to be a human readable representation of the contents of the object. So if we make a student object here with a student named Mary with a grade of A+, and here we print Mary, then if we save the program and try it out, here what we get is the type of the object, and we get here what is essentially a memory address, but it's not a human readable representation of the object. So what we could do is define the str method. We could have here def and then double underscore str double underscore and self. And what we'll do is return a string representation of the object that's supposed to be more human readable, more targeted at the potential user of the application. So we'll use an f string to return the string representation of the object. We'll have here f, and then first the name of the student, and then in brackets, we'll have the grade of the student. Now, if we save the program and try it out, we now get this human readable representation of the student object. So this str function will now be called by the built-in print, str, and format functions in Python. So for example, we could have Mary underscore string is equal to str Mary, and this here is going to call our definition of the str function here. And we could output the resulting string with print Mary string. If we save the program and try it out, we'll see it's the same string. Now in Python, there's a similar magic method, repr. This magic method is supposed to return a string representation of the object that is complete and unambiguous. It should be usable for development and debugging purposes. In contrast to the str method, which is more intended for the end user of the software. So this is how we can use the str method in Python. Check out portfoliocourses.com, where we'll help you build a portfolio that will impress employers.